Hello, my friends. How are you? We'll see the basics to Amharic language, okay? And I'm Club, and we'll see it, okay, in deep and slowly. And as you know, in order to learn any language, the base of any language is what? Its alphabet, okay? Starting from its alphabet. So first, we need to know the alphabet of any language. Since if you are not familiar with the alphabet of a language, then it will be difficult for us to know about the language, okay? So we will start from the basic one, from the alphabets, okay? And as we know, in English, there are what? There are 26 alphabets, okay? From A up to Z, A, B, C up to Z. There are what? There are 26 English alphabets. And similarly, in Amharic language, there are what? There are alphabets, okay? And there are what? 34 Amharic alphabets, okay? In Amharic, there are 34 basic Amharic alphabets, and we'll see that. But one thing that makes different Amharic language from other language, I think, is that the alphabets are 34, and each of the 34 alphabets have what? They have what? Subgroups, okay? They have subgroups, and each of them have six subgroups, okay? And where is that? Okay, let us proceed. And this is the Amharic language alphabet table, okay? It's Amharic language alphabet table, and we'll see that from number 1 up to number 34. Since I have said you that there are 34 Amharic alphabets in Amharic language. And each of the basic alphabets have their subgroups, okay? Here, number 1 is the basic alphabet is this one, and it has what? 6 subgroups, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each of the 34 of the Amharic alphabets they have what? 6 subgroups, okay? So we'll see that, and let us start for knowing that, okay? So the first Amharic alphabet is called, and similarly, okay, I have written you the alphabet name in English, okay? Here. Under it, under the alphabet, each of the alphabets, I have written you the alphabet in what? In English for you to pronounce it, okay? So it's important for you to write it down and what to read it in order to know it. So let us proceed to number 1, okay? In English, the number 1 English alphabet is what? A. So similarly in Amharic, number 1 or the first Amharic alphabet is called what? Ha. Ha, okay? This one. It's called what? Ha. And it has what? It has 6 subgroups under it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 subgroups, okay? So the first Amharic alphabet is called what? Ha. And its subgroups are who, he, ha, he, her, ho. Okay? In order to pronounce it, you need to practice that. So the first Amharic alphabet is called ha, and its subgroups are who, then he, then ha, the next one is he, her, and the last one is what? Ho. Okay? So the second Amharic alphabet is called what? La. Okay? La. The second Amharic alphabet is called what? La. In English, the second English alphabet is B. The first one is A, second one is B. So in Amharic, the second Amharic alphabet is called what? La. Okay? La. This one. La. And its subgroups are Lu, okay? Li, La, then Le, okay? Le, and the last one is Lo. Under basic alphabet La. The last one is Lo. So the second Amharic alphabet is called what? La. Okay? Next, the third. The third Amharic alphabet is called what? Ha. What did you notice? We have said that the first Amharic alphabet is called what? Ha. The third one is also called ha, okay? So number 1 and number 3 are similar, okay? Which means when you write a word or a sentence in Amharic language, you can use them interchangeably, okay? Since they are similar, their name is similar. So since the first Amharic alphabet is called ha, also the third Amharic alphabet is called Ha. Ha. But in order to differentiate them, they have what? Specific name. The first one is called what? Haletau Ha. Okay. The first one is called Haletau Ha. Haletau Ha. Okay. Whereas the third one is called what? Hamaru Ha. Hamaru Ha. But both of them are what? Ha. Ha. Okay. Ha. Ha. The only thing is that in order to differentiate their name, the first one is called what? Haletau Ha. Okay. The first one is Haletau Ha. Whereas the third one is called Hamaru Ha. Okay. Hamaru Ha. But both of them are similar. Okay, the first one is also Ha, the third one is also Ha, and they can be used interchangeably in Amharic language when you write or a sentence or anything. Okay, but finally, I'll tell you on how we can use them. Okay, on how we can use them. But if you write they by using interchangeably, you are correct. Okay, technically you are correct. So the third Amharic alphabet is called what? Ha, Ha, and its subgroups are who, he, ha, he, her, and ho. Okay. Ho. The next one is the fourth. The fourth Amharic alphabet is called what? Ma. Okay. Ma. The fourth Amharic alphabet is called what? Ma. Ma. And its subgroups are mu, mi, ma, ne, mu, no. Okay. So the fourth Amharic alphabet is called Ma, and its subgroups are Mu, Mi, Ma, Me, Ne, and what? Mo. Mo. Okay. The now next to the fifth one, and the fifth Amharic alphabet is called what? Sha. Ta. Okay. The fifth Amharic alphabet. The fifth Amharic alphabet is called what? Sa. Okay. Ta. And the subgroup under Amharic alphabet Sa are U, U, Si, Sa, Se, Su, So. Okay. So the fifth Amharic alphabet is called Sa, and its subgroups are Tu, Si, Sa, Se, Su, So. So until now we have seen what? 5 Amharic alphabets, and we have said that in Amharic language there are what? 34 Amharic alphabets. So we'll see the next one. So the sixth one. Okay. Number 6. Number 6, or the sixth Amharic alphabet is called what? Ra. Okay. This one. It's called Ra. Okay. Ra. And the subgroups under basic alphabet Ra are Ru. This one is Ru. Then Ri, Ri, Ra, Re, R, Ro. Okay. Ro. So the sixth Amharic alphabet is called Ra, and its subgroups are Ru, Ri, Ra, Re, R, Ro. Okay, Ro. Next, the seventh. The seventh Amharic alphabet is called what? Sa. Sa. Previously, we have said that number 5 also is also called what? Sa. Sa. If you notice, okay? Number 5 here. Number 5 Amharic alphabet is also called what? Sa. We have said that also called what? Sa, Su, Si, Sa, Se, Si, So. Similarly, number 7 is also called Sa. Previously, we have said that here, number 1 and number 3 are similar. Both of them are Ha, Ha, okay? But in order to differentiate them, this one is Habeta, this one is Hanawa. But both of them are Ha, Ha. So when we write a word or a sentence, you can use them interchangeably. Same story here. Number 5 is also called Sa, and number 7 is also called Sa. So they can be used interchangeably. When you write a word or a sentence using the alphabet Sa, you can use either one of the two, okay? Either one of the two. Both of them are Sa, Sa. Number 5 and number 7 are Sa, Sa. You can use them interchangeably. But this Sa is called what? In order to differentiate this Sa from that Sa, it's called Shukausa. This one is called what? Shukausa. Shuka means in Amharic, it means fork. Fork, okay? Fork has what? It has sahil like this, okay? It has what? Hand-like gesture, like this. Fork has, 5 hand-like gesture. So since it looks like fork, it is called what? Shukausa. Shukausa. In Amharic, Shuka means what? Fork. Fork means shuka in Amharic. So it's not a shuka or sa. But this one is what? Sa. Sa. Okay? Sa. So number 7 is also called sa. But in order to differentiate, this one is sa is called what? Negutu sa. Negutu sa. Negus means in Amharic king. King. Okay? King means in Amharic negus. Since a king has what? It has a crown on its head. So this sa has what? Sign. It has a sign like a crown in its head. Due to that, it's called what? Migususa in Amharic. Migususa in order to differentiate this from that from Shukausa in order to differentiate Migususa. This one is what? Migususa. So it's called Migususa. Migus means king. So it has a crown like sign here. So, but number 5 is also sun. This one is also sun. They can be used interchangeably. So number 7, basic Amharic alphabet is called Sa, and the subgroups under basic alphabet Sa are U, okay, Su, this one is Si, Sa, Se, Si, and the last one So. So number 7, basic Amharic alphabet is called Sa, and its subgroups are Su, Si, Sa, Se, Si, and So, okay, So. So number 8, basic Amharic alphabet. This one, it's called what? Sha, okay, it's called Sha. It's called what? Sha. Sha. And the subgroups under basic alphabet Sha are Shu, this one, Shu, this one is She, okay, this one is She, then this one is Sha, Sha, this one She, She, and this one Shi, and the last one, this one is what? Sho, okay, Sho. So number 8, basic Amharic alphabet is what? Sha, and its subgroups are Shu, She, Sha, She, Shi, and Sho. Okay. Now let us to proceed to number 9. And number 9, basic Amharic alphabet. This one. It's called what? Ka. Okay. Ka. So number 9, basic Amharic alphabet is called what? Ka. This one is called what? Ka. Okay. Ka. And the subgroups under basic alphabet Ka are, this one is Ku. Okay. Ku. This one is Ki. Ki. This one is Ka. Ka. Then Ke. This one is K, and this one is K, okay, K, and the last one is Ko. So, number 9, basic Amharic alphabet is called what? K, and its subgroups are Ku, this one is Ki, this one is Ka, this one is K, this one is K, and this one is Ko. Okay? And number 10, basic Amharic alphabet is called what? Ba, okay? Ba. Number 10, basic Amharic alphabet is called Ba, and the subgroup under basic alphabet Ba are Bu, Bi, Ba, Be, Bu, and Bo. Okay, Bo. So number 10, basic Amharic alphabet is called Ba, and the subgroup under basic alphabet Ba are Bu, Bi, Ba, Be, Bu, and Bo. Okay, Bo. The next one is number 11. We'll see in the next session, okay? Number 11.